Hello, welcome today, and I am back on Easy Austin channel. If you don't know, you better subscribe right down there and click on that bell so every time he load a video, you get the ding-a-ling. Today we are making something called pastelón. It's the first time ever we will make this today. So far we're using a wok, even though you don't have to use a wok.
Exactly.
You can use any kind of sauteing frying pan you want to make this thing, okay? Really quick. In here she have a bunch of seasoning, right? And that seasoning is all of this over here. 1 teaspoon of adobo, oregano, some parsley, some garlic salt, some caldo de res, which is beef, and some sazon. Now we will add some salsa de tomate, tomato goya o boya, con cebolla, ajo y cilantro. Hey, look inside there. Mira eso, es delicioso.
You gotta stir it a little bit so you can get the colors together.
Besides all the seasonings that we are adding, we are using ground beef for this. Hey, get out of my face. We are using this ground beef, okay? This is the cheap one that have a lot of fat. If you're watching your diet, then you get this one extra lean, okay? Oh my God.
Make sure you don't add oil to the pan because the meat already has oil.
Hey, you have to speak in my accent, okay? Or else I don't understand you.
You can speak the accent, I don't have to speak.
Listen, okay? This is the way I was born, okay? Can I throw the carne in there?
Wait, hold on a minute, chill.
Okay, so we are I am going to use some extra lean, which as you can see, it's more redder. That means it got more sangre and blood in it. It's not too much fat, it's extra lean. Like, who's extra lean and plumping? Hulk Hogan? No, he's old now. Somebody younger and plumping. Give me a name.
You?
No, not me. Plumping like muscular, you know?
Well, he used to be The Rock, but now he's like really
Oh
muscular.
yes, The Rock. He's starting to get old too. You can check the gray hairs in the beard. Okay,
Oh, well, he
here
still
comes.
looks handsome though.
Hey, you watch your mouth, okay? You my girlfriend. Hey, check it out right here. The beef. Slam bam. Thank you, ma'am.
Damn, but you don't have to slam into
She threw it in the pan and now she's chopping it up with all the seasonings, stirred it up really good.
Excuse me?
We don't want this pan to be greasy, okay? A lot of people in America is fat because of the McDonald's and the Burger King and Dunkin' Donuts and all these things, you know?
I need cilantro.
Krispy Kremes. Buy it at your local store. Thank you. Excuse me, what do you need? Oh, the lady, she needs cilantro for the pastelón. Let me discard this garbage in the trash, okay?
She's crazy.
And let me cut the cilantro. Look, I didn't know that cilantro was called coriander. So when I go to the store, I learned something new, you know? They write it in English and they write it in Spanish. So it's this leafy thing, right? This is like weed. It smells good. You can't smoke it though. You have to eat it in your food, okay? Okay, so we're going to rinse this one. We're going to give it... Whoa, the shower is too strong. We're going to give it a shower, okay? This water is filtered water. If you're using rotten water on your food, then what is the point of rinsing it? You're just adding more contamination to your food, right? Miss, you need me to chop how much cilantro? Don't worry. I'm not going to cut you, okay? But if you with me, I will, huh? ¿Qué? Ya, cilantro. How much, lady? Talk to me. Small cup. No, it's 1 cup, 2 cup, 1/2 cup. So 1 cup, not small cup, okay? You just want the leaf or you want some branches and rubber band?
If you want to eat some branches and rubber bands,
No, thank you.
go ahead.
No branches and rubber bands for me, okay? We get the cilantro, a nice shower. Now we give it a good chop. Because, you know, you don't want to be eating your pastelón and then one big branch of leaf come out of your mouth, right? And then people looking at you and you feeling like you in Jurassic Park, just like eating this crap. No, this, it don't taste good by itself. You have to add it to the dish that you'd make in Spanish dish or whatever, okay? Don't make me angry. Okay, hold on 1 second. Now we will add.
Can you chop that a little bit more?
Damn, excuse me. I didn't know it had to be perfect.
It has to be perfect.
Damn woman, you know these women the way they act. But you can live with them and you can live without them, okay? Let's gather and keep chopping. Maybe I need a better knife, a hatchet, a machete or something. If I had a weapon, I will shoot this down, okay? like Eazy-E and NWA, straight out of Compton, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so she want me to make it more chopped, more fine, so you don't have no big leaf in your mouth looking like animal. Are you caveman or are you man, modern man from today? So this is cilantro. I think it's chopped pretty well. If she got a problem with this, then maybe she can go hire somebody else, because she not paying me one single penny, okay? I'm doing this.
I'll leave her the kitchen.
Listen, I'm doing this because I love you, okay?
I love you too, my dear.
Ah, pues.
Are you still
Hey, look at this. Excuse me? Listen, if she talking wedding, I don't hear her right now.
I know you don't.
But anyway, this is a aguacate, aka avocado.
You can throw the cilantro.
Oh, here come. Cilantro, we dropping it in the fire pit. In the pit of hell. Oh! Don't worry, I will not cut you.
I already cut myself with a motorcycle.
Oh my God, she was riding a little motorcycle outside a little while ago. If you would have just seen her, you would have been laughing. All of a sudden, I'm speaking with Irish accent. This is some bullshit. Okay.
You should do all the cilantro
So now we would let this meat cook in there. It have to turn brown. In the meantime, I will cut this tomato, I think, maybe.
Not now.
No, no. Open this avocado, maybe.
Not now.
No, no. Oh, plátanos. I have to open plátanos.
Won't you cut the mozzarella cheese first? And then
Oh, my favorite.
But don't
Paleo
eat it.
string cheese. I have to eat some. I have to taste it, okay? Make sure that there's nothing hazardous in there.
make sure if your meat doesn't have no flavor to add more flavor to it. As
What does that mean? Add more flavor? You have to be more specific with the
that's why
ingredients,
I
okay?
moved the camera to him. So
Him?
I mean to you.
How I become
I'm
a him?
tired. I haven't slept for 3 days.
You know what? Sleeping is a choice, okay? You can lay down, close your eyes, and go to bed, okay?
So I'm gonna.
But her, she want to stay up, play on the iPad, watch some TV show, be on the Netflix, play with the iPad, play with the cat. You know, then she never go to sleep. Then she want to complain all day that nobody let her sleep. I don't understand these women nowadays. How dare you hit me? Don't make this an assault record, okay? What was I gonna do? Oh, yes. Ooh, this is kind of mushy right here. I don't
it's
think
okay.
this is
No.
so good. No, this is very, very.
It's good.
I'm telling you, it's like baby food mushy.
Oh.
Okay, these are plátanos. They start green, and as they ripen, they turn this color and it become very, very sweet.
Plantain?
Plantains in English, but plátano in Espanol. I'm gonna chop some of these up. Not chop them up, you know, slice them. We're supposed to fry these things and cook them, you know, because they're going to go into the pastelón. Instead of us using lasagna, you know, those wavy noodles, we are going to use this in between the meat and the cheese, okay? This is how my mama told me how to cut it. And because they are so sweet, it is so easy to peel like a banana. Ah, you can smell how sweet it is, okay? That's 1/2 piece, okay? Now we do the next one. Be very careful that you don't cut your finger and you have no injury and blood all over the place. Because then people would think there'll be a death or something in the family. Nobody wants a death in the family, okay? Don't forget, you have to cut the ass off. You got to cut the ass off of the damn plátano. Because you don't want that there from the crack of the ass. Excuse my language, people. I know some children are watching, but the problem is the parents. They shouldn't let the kids watch the regular YouTube, okay? There's a YouTube for kids. You send them there. This way I can say every and everything that I want on my channel. You want to give me views? Give me views. I don't want to cut or kill myself, so I'm going to try to be very careful to cut these in to somewhat like slices, because these slices, they have to lay down like a bed, you know, like a bed of bananas. And on that bed of bananas, we're going to lay the ground beef. Come look at the ground beef. Oh my God, it's smelling so good. It's sizzling over there. Come over here, sir. Yes, cameraman, can you do a zoom on that meat, please?
It is going to be very slow, okay,
my
but
God.
it looks very delicious already.
I am so ready to taste it, but we have to make sure that this is fully cooked because we don't want, you know, to suffer no stomach pain. You see, it have mucho caldo in it. It have mucho liquid because we're going to take that meat. You know, the fatty one have a lot of fat, so that's why you see a lot of fluid in it. But we are going to put it to the strainer, okay? We are going to throw that bad boy in the sink, and we're going to let the grease drain so that you don't get all that extra fattiness in your pastelón. Now let's go back over here. So I'm trying to be even with these slices. You see how thick? Not too thick, not too thin, okay? Then when you lay them in the oil, they will fry beautifully.
Like bacon.
Bam! Yes.
All a can of tomato.
Beautiful. Oh, it's no problem, young lady. She says she added 1 mini can of Goya tomato sauce. We will show you which tomato sauce she used. I think I show you one time. Goya. This one have onion and garlic and cilantro. Or you can get the plain one and put all the garlic and cilantro and onion that you want your damn self in there, okay? So just that's it. Just do it and come back. Right, Deborah? Oops. My bad. This is MC Benz and she is DJ Debs, okay? So yeah, I will continue to cut. This one's a little more mushy. I don't know if the mushiness is going to work. Look. Right here.
The mushy it is fine.
You think?
Don't
okay.
don't cut it like.
I'm trying to
right
cut
there.
it in bands, okay? Because bands will make you dance.
I'm done
You done with what?
with the meat.
Okay, so do something. I don't know. You want to tomato? What's the tomato for?
For my food when I'm done cooking it, I'll take a slice, eat it with the food, and then we'll cut it too.
Oh, so you just throwing raw tomato on top of your food to eat? You can find me the guayo. You know what's the guayo? It's this metal thing. It look like a pyramid, okay? Not with the triangle on the top and the eye, but it looked like a trapezoid maybe. Anyway, it have one rough side where you can grind different vegetables if you want to grind and like make tamales or something or pasteles. But I wanted to slice and grate the cheese because I don't have a food processor. Can you buy me a food processor, please? Now I am going to taste the meat with all the delicious seasonings that she put in it. If you look very, very closely, oh, there's a little cilantro branch, but it's okay. Somebody can eat that. And the green. I didn't say anybody gonna die. Let's do the taste test. Wait, it's hot. Wait, it's hot. Wait, it's hot. Delicious.
It is. You lying.
Just like heaven. Just like heaven. Of course, with 21 virgins, you gotta check it. Where is my drink? Oh yes, it's delicious. I can't wait to taste this pastelón. It's going to be the bomb diggity. We're going to show you the end results.
Yes, it will be fantastic. Why do I feel really dizzy?
If you guys like, we will put down below in the description the ingredients to make the pastelón, okay? So that way you can make it at home for your family and your friends. You're going to need one of these
And
pans.
you don't have to be Puerto Rican just to make it, okay? Anybody can
You're
make
gonna need one of these pans so you can lay it in there and then you're gonna bake it in the oven. So the meat is cooking and it's almost done, right? We have to fry the bananas, cook them all, drain them on some paper. We'll show you how to do that in a little bit. We have to shred all the cheese because we're gonna lay that bad boy in there. We're gonna stack it up like the Twin Towers. RIP 9/11, okay? And welcome back. Today I will be using mazola con oil to fry the maduros, aka yellow plantains, yellow plátanos. I put some oil in the pot and I activated it to number 8 right there, okay? Now we have to keep an eye on it because we don't want to start no big fire over here in the kitchen. 1 second, let me drop my oil. You stay right there. I dropped my oil. Okay. These plátanos here that I try to slice the best way that I can. Now remember, this is the first time that I am doing this. So don't judge me, okay? They were going into the sartén. We will fry them. We will flip them over. We will make them nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to lay down a paper towel and we're going to lay them there to soak up the excess oil, okay? The meat is looking beautifully. Come check. Yummy, yummy doodle. I hope this meat, this carne is enough. This is ground beef, I guess. If you was on the diet and you want to use something, or maybe not the diet, you're just watching the way you eat. You can use ground chicken or you can use ground turkey, ground lamb. If you want to be a pig, then eat ground pork. It don't matter to me. Whatever you like, whatever you're liking, you do, okay? But you season it. And we will do this thing and then we will do that thing and we will be right back. Now we are going to test the oil to see if it's hot. Yes, it's sizzling. Now I will get some of these. It's not good. I shouldn't have them in my hands. I should have them in a dish or a tray. But let's go. I will lay these in here. I lowered it, but I'm putting it back up because, you know, when you put something cold inside the oil, the temperature is going to drop, okay? It's only common sense. Now, you don't want these to burn because they're going to go into your fake-ass lasagna pasta, okay? I mean, no pasta, but that. Maybe I can put a few more now, can fit in the pan. Let's see. Okay, I don't have too much room. So we are going to stop right there and I'm going to wash my hands. So now when they look like this, like golden around the edges, you can start flipping them over. Wow, look how pretty. You want them to be golden brown, but you don't want them to burn at all, okay?
Are you listening?
Open your damn ears, okay? This is very, very simple. Just with a gentle stroke, you know, like you do to your girlfriend at night. That gentle stroke. You flip them over one by one and you introduce the other side to the hot scalding oil, okay? Let it burn like Usher say. No problem. You see how beautiful they look? They're golden brown. They are sizzling. Then we are going to bring them over here to the napkin to towel dry. You know, like when you come out the shower, you don't want to be dripping all over the place, right? So especially you don't want this oil dripping all over your house on your tile floor and messing everything up. Then your wife come later and she slip and fall and blame everything on you. Then you have to call the insurance company and make a big claim, but we're not going to go into that right now, okay? So we shall continue to flip. So right here, this is the way your plátanos, delicious sweet plátanos should look at the moment. I still have to make a lot more because remember, we are going to fill this pan up from the bottom to the top with meat, plátanos, meat, cheese, plátanos, meat, cheese, plátanos, meat, cheese, plátanos, as high as we can go, okay? And it's not too high, so a few layers. So I'm setting them over here because these are draining the oil, and then I'm setting them there to cool off. Once that's done, we will put it all together. We'll be right back and I will show you how I am cutting the cheese, okay? Thank you. Hey, how you doing, party people in the place to be? This thing is taking so long to cook, so you know, we have to edit the video here and there to make it better so that you hurry up and see what I'm cooking, okay? Because it's going to be the best delicious thing ever. I have to chop the mozzarella, I have to keep cutting the plátanos, and everybody left and they're not helping me. It's just me and my cameraman. What did I say? Cameraman. That word, it didn't come out right.
One more plop for the mob. Okay, let me focus please. Plop. Okay, that's it. Very good.
And we are chopping up the cheese. I am using this brand of Palio whole milk mozzarella cheese. Okay, I bought 2 packs of those. Are they 5 pounds? 1 pound each. So 2 pounds of cheese and we chopping it up, you know, like freestyle because I don't have a chopper. So we just do like so, okay? Just chop it up, okay? Chop it up with my homeboys. Espérate. The cheese is escaping. Come back. Okay, so if you look over to the pastelón, come with me. She is putting it together. It is looking very, very beautiful.
Yeah, and I'm burning
Okay, so she's laying the plátanos, the sweet plátanos. I am burning some here, so I have to pull them now and bring them over to the towel so they can, all the oil from them can dry. I told you not to use the hot ones, lady. Sorry, I don't mean to burn you, okay? Keep your arm out the way. Use the cooler ones over there. What is the problem with you? You complain
I am also a medic. I have to check for severe burns and stuff.
I'm alright.
She is okay. Okay.
She will survive. She will survive. Okay, I'm not a singer right now, but I'll be a singer later, okay? You can catch us on the YouTube channel.
Singing with MC Benz coming soon in the fall, I think.
Con Jada también. Princess Jade and MC Benz, okay? You have to follow Princess Jade channel. The link will be down below. Check for the link, okay? Okay, I'm going to cut the fire over here because once these last few ones are done, we are putting that together. We are going to slam it in the oven. Miss, we are not going to use the big oven, okay? Because there's no purpose to waste all the electricity. We are going to throw it in this bad boy over here. This bad boy over here is called a toaster oven. It does everything. You can bake the cookies on the cookie sheet. You can throw the rotisserie chicken in that bad boy, but we're gonna put the pastelón in there, okay? Everything's working perfect. What else can I tell you? Come look at my birds. I got a few chickens here.
Yeah, can you start cutting the damn freaking...
Oh, I gotta go cut the cheese. Come back for the cheese. Hey, lady, don't be yelling at me, okay? I just forgot, okay? Oh my God! My cheese! It fell! She fell! Let's try this again.
Can you stop
Delicious.
eating the cheese?
Hey, you want the one that fell?
No, thank you. I'll pass.
Okay, let me wash my hands. We are coming back to chopping cheddar. I mean, chopping mozzarella. Hey, I can make a song about that.
Chopping
cheddar mozzarella. Cheddar
Chop.
mozzarella. Choppity chop. Okay.
Chopping mozzarella sounds. Chopping
It's looking
cheddar
good
sounds
here,
like.
cameraman. Do you like?
Oh, you want? Very good. Very, very good mozzarella, I shall say.
I have a pile for you here. You want this cheese? Oh, this one's going to go on the top layer. So far, we only break.
What?
What did she do?
Oh,
Don't
snap.
worry. I shut the fire. I know, I understand the other hand.
In the lake, the ball went in the lake.
Look, little girl, shut the door, right? We're cooking over here. Who does she think she is? The ball fell in the lake. Well, why is that my problem? You want to play ball? You go deep sea diving over in the lake.
Nobody told him to go by the freaking lake.
And sometimes the alligator come through there. So she want to get her ass
she
bit.
better not.
She can jump in there, okay? First they want to go play. Then they want to complain. My ball is in the lake. Well, oh well, what can I say?
Should have just said
I'm
not to
cooking here. I'm doing my cooking on the Easy Austin channel. Okay, I bring it. Come, freestyle. I'm bringing all the cheese. I'm bringing. She will pour and delicately spread along. You shall cover the top again with more pasteles, right? I mean, excuse me. What do you call this thing? No, those.
Sweet bananas?
Yeah, you still have
Cheese.
to put on top.
Cheese.
Okay, let me chop some more cheese so we can put the rest of the maduros and another layer of queso. Queso is another word for queso, which in Spanish, okay, queso is cheese. Cheese is cheese. So why do the people say when you take a picture, say cheese? Why can't be something else, like say beef or say squeak? Why gotta be cheese? You know what I'm saying?
Because when you say cheese, it forms this smile, I believe. So that's why they say it. Cheese.
How about if I say please? It still form the smile, okay?
I
You're gonna
believe-
take my cheese and run with it?
I think so.
Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios
freaking loud in my
mío. She's stealing all my cheese, man. But that's okay because, you know, it's for the meal.
You have like one more pound, right? Is it this one? I think it's this one.
Yes,
You-
this is the pound, the second pound I am cutting, even though it's not all gonna fit in there. So I'm not gonna chop it all up, okay?
I'm taking this piece.
You can steal a bigger piece if you want, but not
No.
the whole brick, okay?
It belongs in the food. The piece of resistance.
You sounding like you have Italian accent or something. You Italiano or something?
I am from
Italy.
Eh.
You are from the Tower of Pisa, the one that lean back, like Fat Joe.
I do the Russian actually.
You do that Russian accent too?
Yes, or some other thing I don't know.
So you can finally chop it if you like, or you can leave it in small chunky chunks if you want. The bigger the better if you want. Oh look, she's back.
I'll be
Collect and go. I help you.
Check that out. This is looks like popcorn, but it's not popcorn. Okay, let's go back.
Excuse me. You want me to cut more cheese?
No, not until. Yes.
Yeah, because it's
top
going to go
layer.
on top, right?
If you want the. If you
We
want
are going to have so much cheese on this pastelon, you might choke, okay?
I don't want to choke. Okay.
You ever eat some good, delicious New York pizza?
I want to live.
And you take the bite and the cheese just starts stretching like that?
Is that the
And
way
then it's
going to be?
halfway in your throat and halfway outside while everybody's looking at you. You're suffocating with the cheese like... But nobody come help you. You know what? Because the cheese is good. It tastes delicious. So no Heimlich maneuver be performed in you choking on pizza with long cheese. Chop, 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 chop. Hey, chop, 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 chop. She's getting violent. She's destroying the dishes. Oh my God, she's angry woman. You ever have that look that you know that...
like that, it'll melt.
Look, lady, wait. I can make dinner, okay? Take this crumble one first. Take the crumble one. I can make it in strips, okay? Anyway, getting back to what I was saying. When you was a kid, right? Or maybe you're a kid now. Isn't there a time when you're doing something bad and your mother looks at you and she gives you this look that you know you can with her because she will kill you? You need something? Take le queso. Take those banditas. You can lay them out over there. Ella habla mucho. How dare she? What is the point of a video if you're not gonna speak your mind, okay? You got something to say, you just say it and come back. What the hell is that?
I think the fans respect you more for that, but I'm not sure. It depends on the people.
The people or
the
the
Black
sheeple?
Panther on the shirt.
That is my hero. Look.
Wakanda?
Hey, lady, back up, okay? I'm showing my ex for the Black Panther.
She's chopping the oh, licky.
She like it. She like it, the noodle.
Baby, look.
Oh my god. I can't wait to taste it. Oh no. Okay, come people. We are going to jack up the temperature. 400 degrees or should we do 375 or 350? 350. We don't want this mother to burn, okay? Wait, we have to cover with foil, no? Not like lasagna? No, don't go that way.
I know it's that way. It's just heavy for me. My gosh.
Don't complain to me, okay? If I tell you do one thing, you just do it and that's it. Oh, look, she's giving me her ass.
No, I'm not.
Oh, don't tighten your butt cheeks. It came out on camera. Hey, don't
Oh,
throw.
I'm sorry.
Don't throw water at me.
It's only water. You're not gonna die. Is that your Sprite?
Hey, you want?
Yes, that's my Sprite.
Ay, Dios mío, how are you going to steal my soda without... I wish I can headbutt you like Hulk Hogan. Wait, give me a new wrestler. I don't watch wrestling.
John Cena?
John Cena, yeah. Or Stone Cold Steve Austin. I know that's your favorite.
See, that is, yeah.
So now she is le baking in le oven. We will come back after a few messages. We will cut into that bad boy and show you how good it looks. Le pastelón is ready now. Hey, what happened to the thing? Bing! Almost broke the glass. Look at she looking very, very sexy. Oh my god. Ooh la la. Let me put this over here.
Oh, I smell, oh my.
Oh my god.
It smells so good.
Hallelujah.
I'm gonna waft it to you so you can. I'm gonna waft it to you so you could smell. Just a
You
waft.
want to put on that plate? Should I serve it or should I wait a little bit, let it cool off 1-2 minutes? Can't wait! Okay, let's go. I don't know how much to cut for you. Let's try small portion first. Oh my god, look at that cheese
Why
that I
does that
talked
look
about earlier that
so
will make you
good?
choke.
Oh my gosh.
I never tried this thing in my life. This is my third time.
This looks amazing.
Really?
Yes.
This kind of looks like a pizza.
I always
but
hear
not
people
really.
talk about it, but oh my.
Check that out.
It's one of my favorite dishes.
People talk about, but I never ever try it. Ave Maria. Look at that tenderness inside. I am going to get me a plate, and Mr. Cameraman, you get a plate too. She throw le avocado on the side. This is like small piece. Here you go. We want to hear. Oh, she's hooking it up with some decoration. Take that off the booty. She's preparing the plate. Look at the plate, okay? Oh Lord, she's going
This
to
isn't
put
mine,
more
I'm sorry.
avocado.
Avocado grill.
Mira, señorita, here's your plate. She's gonna load it up with more avocado. I'm going to call the children to see who wants to eat some of this deliciousness.
Ding ding ding, come and get it.
Tyler! Jada! The food is ready!
It smells.
The food is ready!
It smells amazing. The dinner is ready.
You left your bottle over there.
Badia. Hold on, let me show you guys this. Doesn't that look amazing?
We're not going to the farm right now.
Doesn't that look good? This piece right here. She just cut
I'm going
it.
to sit down and I'm going to taste.
Mercedes, can Jaden go to the front with us? Oh. Hello. I am going to get, you know what, forget the kids. They don't want to come eat. They're worrying about the ball in the lake. I'm going to get a paper plate here because I don't want to dirty no dishes.
More for us.
You want some, Mr. Cameraman?
Yes, sir, please. This
This
looks
is
ready.
your payment for working so damn hard today. Ooh, yeah. Oh, let's get that. Bring it over here. Ay, Dios mío. Mr. Cameraman, here you go. If you like avocado or tomato, you can
I
take it.
shall try this by itself. Oh, I have to.
Tasting, my lady. Not yet. I haven't tasted it.
So I'm going to try
E-L-O-N.
this
I think.
this delectable dish. I'm just gonna try a little part. It's a little hot, so
Where is my Sprite? Oh, there it is.
check that out. Okay,
Bring me a salsa water.
check this out. Okay,
Oh, man. Oh,
there's Sprite.
Where's the salsa water? Oh my God, baby, got little cheese.
You know, hold on.
The salsa?
It has the sweetness of the banana, the plantain, but it also has the savory of lasagna. It is exquisite.
How is it?
Exquisite. Sweet and savory. And the mozzarella is just a bonus. It just melts in your mouth. I wish my mom would make this at home. Check that out. I don't care. I'm pigging out on camera. It's fine. I'm fine. Let me take pieces of the banana. Take pieces of. I love it. I will never stop pigging out. I love it. Okay, you guys can stop watching. I'm trying to enjoy my stuff in peace, okay? So, bye.
Hello, so this concludes this video of making pastelón. I hope you like it. I hope you give it a try someday. Some people like it too much, so they're eating seconds. Busted. Click like, click subscribe, and we will see you again. And if you want to see more videos with me, just let Easy Austin know in the comments below. Thank you very much, and peace out and love to everyone.
Love and hair grease.